Hey y'all, I'm Jamielenear. You can just call me Jamie. Over here I do lifestyle and travel content, so if that's your cup of tea, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the community. And for my returning subbies, what's up, my babies? What's up? Now let's get into this video. So today we're going to be talking about, specifically me or anybody else, if I could or had to start a YouTube channel over in 2024, I do this. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And I want to start off reflecting on why I start a YouTube channel. And the reason why I start a YouTube channel is because of the simple fact that I want my voice heard. You know what I'm saying? And let's say everyone can add some value into someone else's life. Everyone can teach someone something. You can always learn something from someone to be better. Just like people get on this platform to learn certain things. Like, I can get on this platform to learn how to braid hair or learn how to plumb your toilet. People just get on these different platforms for different things. And the reason why I wanted to start a YouTube channel is because of the simple fact that I wanted to add value. I wanted someone to learn something from me, but I also wanted to reap the benefits, because I would see some of the big time YouTubers that I followed, they're just living their best life. And I wanted to experience that. I wanted to level up like that. So that's the reason why I started a YouTube channel. I also wanted to come on here and inspire single mothers or moms over the age of 40. I feel like single mothers, usually we stick together because we know how it feels to be a single mother. We go through things. People can learn things from single mothers. Some people were raised by single mothers. You just never know. I wanted to come on this platform to add value, to teach single mothers what I learned. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I started my YouTube channel. If I was to start a YouTube channel over, I would say I would tweak some things. I definitely really get deep down and research the topics, which I do that now, but I would approach it differently. You want to approach YouTube like a business. So say that I would definitely approach it where I'm trying to hit certain milestones. I don't even do that now. I just go with the flow. So if I had to do it differently, I would set out different milestones as far as I'm trying to reach a certain amount of subscribers this month. I want to gain 10 subscribers in the month of October. Or if I was to already be monetized or not, I want to make this type of money this month. So I would approach things totally differently when it was to come to setting my goals for YouTube, because you want to set some type of goal so that you can reach that type of milestone for your YouTube channel. So now we're going to get into talking about niching. And I want to say I didn't really get deep into the niching until recently. And I feel like you do need a niche. You do need a niche when you're dealing with YouTube. My niche is women over 40, single moms over 40. So basically, there are different niches on YouTube. They have like lifestyle niche. That's my niche, lifestyle and travel. So you have the lifestyle niche or the travel niche. So say that that's the type of niche that you want to do. So you've already come up with the brand that you want to do. So now you need to take it a step further and niche down from that. So who are you trying to target? What is your target audience? So I want to target women over 40, specifically single mothers. You get what I'm saying? And women. You get what I'm saying? So that's how I would come into perspective with that now. You want to make sure you're able to choose a niche that you're going to be happy with, that you're going to stick with for a while when it comes to doing YouTube, because me right now, and learn from experience with me, I'm doing lifestyle and I'm doing the travel niche, but I am basically dipping and diving, trying to see what bites and what my audience likes. But at the end of the day, I'm still trying to do what makes me happy, because I don't want to get burnt out. You get what I'm saying? So I'm doing the lifestyle niche, but I'm niching down from that. I'm adding single moms in that. I'm adding women over 40 doing DoorDash content in that. So you have to be able to choose a niche and choose your niche wisely, so that, because you're going to want to stick with that niche for a while. You got people who are doing, you have the education niche, you have the gaming niche. It's just different niches, and I feel like you need to niche. You need to find a niche and something that you're going to stick with and something that you're going to be happy with. If you're doing hair, if the hair is your thing, stick with it. If you're going to stick with it, let's take it a step further. So I'm doing hair as my niche, but I want to target certain wigs, or I want to target women who have alopecia and wigs. I want to target that group of women who need wigs because they're not feeling confident for themselves and they want wigs to cover their alopecia. You get what I'm saying? So you need to be able to niche and find a niche that you're going to like and you're going to stick with. I feel like on YouTube, you also need to choose a brand. So I'm still learning as I go, y'all. And a lot of things I'm not sticking with, but if I could do it all over again, my favorite colors are pink and silver. So you want to be able to pick a brand and you want to be able to stick with those colors, so that when your audience comes on YouTube, they already know, like, she used this, and this. We already know. Let's go ahead and click on that person. They already know the type of the titles that you use, the colors that you use, the colors that is associated with your brand. My color is pink and silver. Yeah, I have the pink, and I believe I have some silver on the background of when you click onto my YouTube channel, but I don't necessarily stick with that. I'm all over the place. That's why I tell y'all, it's a learning experience. I'm still learning and trying to see what works and what doesn't work. That's why I said that if I could start it all over again, I would do these things. So learn from experience. You get what I'm saying, y'all? I want to get into the topic of SEO and the power of trends. And when I say trends work, y'all, trends work and SEO works. And then you have people out there who don't use SEO, but I'll get into that. But when something is trending, you always, and if you're interested in that, you always want to strike when the iron is hot. You get what I'm saying? If it's a trending topic out there, and that's your niche, or that's something that you want to talk about, go ahead and strike when the iron is hot. For instance, you have people on YouTube who do deal with the entertainment space, or what's going on with the Diddy case. And if that's the type of content you do, you want to go ahead, when they drop something, you want to go ahead and strike when the iron is hot. You want to go ahead and put that content out there so your audience knows. And also using SEO. Make sure you're using your keywords to get ahead. And not everybody use SEO, because you do have people on this YouTube platform that don't use SEO, but SEO is very important because you want to be able to, those people to be able to find your videos. You don't want to get your videos buried and you don't have those particular keywords and for people that people search for on your channel. So making sure you're using SEO, making sure you strike when the iron is hot when it comes to certain trending topics, because things like that are very important. And I'm starting to learn from that now. If I could do it all over again, I would change a lot, which I'm trying to fix things now, because as you know, YouTube has changed. They are always changing, always changing. So I'm trying to get in the habit of making sure I'm jumping on these trending topics. My SEO is, I have the keywords. I search the keywords, making sure my titles, my description, my hashtags, my video tags, making sure I have everything. So if someone searches for a video that I'm talking about, I pop up at the top of that YouTube. I pop at the top. So when they looking for me, I'm right there in my face smiling. So making sure that you strike, like I say, making sure you strike when the iron is hot. Having them keywords, SEO ready, everything, okay? You also want to make sure you're managing your time from burnt out, because at this point now I'm doing vlogtober, so I'm posting every day, but I'm also trying to not get burnt out. I'm trying not to get burnt out. That's why once this vlogtober stuff is over, I'm making sure I go back to my 2 days a week and posting posting my shorts. That's what I say I'm going to do, but ain't no guarantee I'm going to do that. I might still post every day until I get where I need to and want to be. But making sure y'all do not get burnt out on this YouTube platform, because you don't want to make sure you don't want to get to the point where you hate posting or you hate creating content. So make sure y'all assess y'all burnt out. Don't get burnt out. Don't let YouTube drive y'all crazy. Don't do it. So make sure you managing your time wisely. If you can only post one video a week, let it be that. Post that one video a week, because that's how I started off in the beginning, posting one video a week. Now I'm posting 5 videos a week and shorts. Don't be like me if you can't handle it. Manage your time wisely, because you do not want to get burnt out. Also, you want to make sure that you're investing in the right equipment. And I'll tell anybody this. You don't need, and when you're just starting out, don't be like me. When I started out, I started using my phone. I think I had an Android at the time or something like that. And when I was filming on my Android, because I started out using my phone. When I started filming on my Android, when I would edit my videos up, right, am I filming right? I just didn't like how the quality of my videos. So I ended up investing in a camera right then and there, right? Which I wish I hadn't have done that. I wish I had stuck with it longer. But if I could do it all over again, I just would have maybe switch my phone or something like this, or continue to film on my phone. That's all you need in the beginning. Film on your phone. Don't go ahead and invest in no camera if you don't know if you're going to stick with YouTube, for one. Because this is 9 to 5. This is a hustle. This is a job. I would start using my camera. Use my camera as long as I can to make sure this is what I want to do, for one. I would make sure this is what I want to do. Number 2, I wouldn't even invest in no camera until I start making some money like that on YouTube. Me, I think I got a camera maybe 2 or 3 months later, because I didn't like, which I wish I had stuck it out longer. Just use my phone. But don't be like me, y'all. Don't do it. Use your phone as long as you can. And that's what I should have did when I started out YouTube. Use my phone. And then I would have got, in the beginning, just use my phone. I would have went and go in hand and just got me a little tripod, get me a ring light, and just let it be that. I wouldn't have tried to invest in fancy equipment so head on. But now I need them stuff now. But if I could have changed it, that's what I would have did, and really sat down and be like, okay, so what I'm this was gonna go for. Because when I started my YouTube channel, I did it for a year straight, and then I ended up stopping. So you got to make sure this is what you want to do before you start investing into fancy equipment. Also, as you're starting to get subscribers and building your community, make sure you comment. You reply to your community. Make sure when you see people and they comment and they say something, make sure you comment and reply to them back. Because I don't believe, in the beginning, I don't think I really did that. But now I'm doing it. I try to reply to just about everyone who comments on my posts or my video. Now, if you say something dumb, I'm gonna ignore you or not comment or just block you. But other than that, I try to respond to just about anybody or everybody when it comes to engaging with my community, because I want you to feel like you belong here, and you do belong here. You're the reason why I monetize. You sit there and you take the time out your schedule, which you don't have to do, to watch my video. So obviously it piqued your interest. So I'm going to continue to engage and respond to you when you say things. If I could do it all over again, I definitely would focus on self-improvement and learning, because as you post your YouTube videos, you're learning from each video. So you go back and watch your videos. I always go back and watch my videos, and I'm like, shouldn't have done that. I could do it better the next time I post a video. So you want to grow with each video. So basically you want to improve with each video. And if I could do it all over again, I would have done that. Really, because I feel like I cringe when I go back and watch my videos for maybe a second or third time. But I have no choice, because I want to make sure nothing is messed up in my video. But you need to go back I go back and watch my videos for self-improvement to be like, oh, I could have said it like this, or I could have done it better, done it like this, so I know to do this better next time, or I know not to do what I previously did. So you're learning with each video, you're growing, you're trying to grow. And YouTube for me is a learning experience. You get it? If I could do it all over again, start it all over again, I'm grinding now, I would have really grind back then to get to that 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. I would have stuck with it. I wouldn't have stopped. Regardless of the situation that I was in, I would have not stopped, because I would have, if I continue with it, when I started back in 2020, I would have been further along and been monetized. So practice makes perfect. Things happen, but I just wanted to give y'all that insight. If I had to do, or if I could do YouTube all over again, the changes that I would have did. And you can see that now. I'm trying to incorporate that now. The grind is real. The hustle is real. Like, this ain't this is like a regular job, y'all. Like, because I know where I'm trying to get to, and I know where I want to be at in life. So the grind is real. But I just wanted to come on there and talk to y'all and tell y'all, if I could start a YouTube channel over again in 2024, I do this. I would make big changes, and I'm trying to do that now, today. But if this is the type of content that you enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And join the community, y'all. Join the community. And I will catch y'all on the next video. Bye.